Restoring your body's original blueprint automatically. Most people believe that healing is an exhausting, desperate battle. They are told to fight the pain, to struggle against the diagnosis, and to beg a distant, unpredictable power to fix what has been broken. But what if the great masters saw it completely differently? What if they knew that the very act of fighting an illness only anchors it deeper into your physical reality? When you wage war against a symptom, your attention is entirely locked onto the state of lack. By focusing your mind on what is broken, you inadvertently give the shadow more substance, forcing the subconscious mind to continuously reproduce the exact limitation you are trying to escape. In the winter of 1894, a research party of 11 scientifically trained explorers journeyed deep into the remote regions of the Himalayas. They did not find a system of grueling spiritual chores or complex medical rituals. Instead, they documented an unspoken metaphysical law, a definitive principle of life transformation that completely bypasses human effort. The masters revealed a truth that shatters modern understanding. Your physical body does not need to be repaired by external strain. It needs to be remembered. The architecture of the blueprint. To understand how the body restores itself automatically, we must look at the universe through the lens of ancient spiritual physics. The masters of the Far East taught that the physical world is not made of cold, stubborn matter. Everything around you, including the very cells of your physical form, is composed of an intelligent, highly responsive energy known as conscious substance. This substance is entirely fluid, acting as a mirror that constantly takes form based on the state of your inner awareness. Within the spiritual realm of your consciousness, there exists an unshakable template called the original blueprint. This is the pristine, divine architecture of your being. It is a state of absolute wholeness that has never been sick, has never been tired, and has never been diminished by a human diagnosis. When you attempt to heal the body through tense mental struggle, you are effectively trying to scratch out and rewrite a reflection in a mirror while completely ignoring the person standing in front of it. The reflection cannot change itself. The unspoken law dictates an absolute axiom for all manifestation alchemy. Whatever you recognize, you realize. If your internal gaze remains fixed on the illusion of disease, the conscious substance has no choice but to reflect disease back to you. The mechanics of silent recognition. The transition from a state of suffering to absolute restoration requires a complete abandonment of human hustle. We do not need to learn how to plead for health, nor do we need to manipulate the outer world. The secret to automatic restoration lies in a profound, quiet process called silent recognition. This is the exact protocol used by the masters to manipulate matter, dissolve scarcity, and synchronize their physical bodies with universal life energy. To apply this law today, you must completely drop the interior effort. When you sit in stillness, do not offer a long list of grievances or desperate requests to the universe. Step entirely out of the consciousness of the problem. Recognize that the disturbance in your body is merely a temporary interruption of a pattern that is already inherently perfect. By completely withdrawing your attention from the shadow of limitation, you starve it of its fuel. You must turn your mental gaze inward and deliberately acknowledge the pre-existing harmony that is currently governing your life force. The moment you quiet the outer intellect and step into alignment with the kingdom within, the mental interference dissolves, and the responsive substance of your body automatically reorganizes itself around the flawless architecture of your original blueprint. Activating the divine presence. Let us completely leave the noise and conflict of the outer world behind, stepping directly into the quiet authority of your true state. Take a long, deep breath, clear your mental atmosphere of all human opinions, and let these words settle deeply into the bedrock of your awareness. I strip all power away from the illusion of limitation. I no longer identify with the consciousness of struggle or the appearance of lack. I step out of the shadow entirely. I am the unrestricted, unbroken divine life, expressing itself in perfect harmony right here and now. Allow that truth to saturate every cell, expanding outward until your entire environment begins to mirror this pristine state of peace. I invite the realizers within our community to solidify this internal shift into physical reality. If you are ready to stop fighting the reflection and claim your unshakable alignment with the source, leave the words "I am whole" in the comments below. Let this act be the very first anchor of your transformation. Welcome back to Timeless Teachings.